Glen Boswick, and this is The Sound of Swing. Tidewater, Virginia's premier dance and swing band orchestra since 1977.
Hello, my name is Jimmy Crank, and I'm the singer with Glen Boswick's Sound of Swing. Tonight we're going to do songs from the 40s, 50s, 60s, right on up to the present day. And the members of the band are some of the greatest musicians in Tidewater. They play all over the East Coast, and they played with everybody from Arthur Fiedler to Chuck Berry. Swinging music, rock and roll, anything your heart desires.
You never give me a chance. Come, 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 come into my heart. Tell me, baby, that we'll never part. I love you, darling. Come and go with me. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, you do remember that one. Yes, you do.
The band you're listening to tonight is comprised of 15 different musicians. That's the big band. However, we can scale down to 8 pieces, 7, 6 pieces, whatever your requirements are. Light jazz, rock and roll from the 50s, big band from the 40s. We can do it all. Glen Boswick's Sound of Swing has been around since 1977. They've played for presidential functions, they've played for the governor, they've played for conventions, they've played for wedding receptions, all up and down the East Coast.
You are my special angel, sent from up above. The Lord smiled down on me and said, nice and easy does it every time.
The band focuses on the big band sounds of Glenn Miller, Tommy Dorsey, Benny Goodman, Duke Ellington, Count Basie, and all the way up to the hits of today with Michael Bublé, Patti Page, and countless others. So come on out and enjoy our show.